Hi everyone! Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial with some tips and tools for teaching adult online students. First off, it's important to know that adults learn differently than younger students. So let's first go through some ways adults learn and then talk about some tips and tools to keep them motivated, interested, and engaged in learning. Adults have such a vast array of life experiences that they are able to draw upon as a platform for new learning. Using past experiences for learning helps to retain new information, especially when deciding how it best applies to current life situations. Adults like to be more self-directed when it comes to new learning. Whereas younger students just need to be told what to do and how to do it, adults can therefore take control of new learning and use the new information to create the end game with a project. Adults need time to ponder, reflect, and internalize what they are learning. This helps them remember the new information, what they are learning, and why. They can then best decide how they will use this new information and make it applicable to their lives. Adults are often afraid to fail, and in turn, this fear makes it harder for adults to learn new information in new ways. Because adults have such busy and full lives, trying to learn too much too soon can often deplete their focus and motivation. Because adults have a hard time learning new information in new ways, they will often continue to try to learn in an older, outdated way, even to their own detriment. Plain and simple, adults don't like change. So introducing new ways with baby steps might work best. With these learning styles in mind, now we can look at some tips and tools to help students stay motivated and engaged with an online class. Provide different learning options so students can pick which format works best for them. Help build an online social community so students don't feel isolated and not supported by peers and their teacher. Accommodate group projects and group interactions within the online setting of a classroom. Create a classroom that is inviting using graphics and links to readings and videos that pertain to each week's assignments and learning. Know your audience and be clear with them on each week's targeted learning and lessons. Add graphics to online classes to make it visually appealing. Try chunking design ideas and work towards creating an experience and not just a classroom. Make yourself and your classroom with students and teachers that are real people. Try introducing a video of yourself and your students to present the information about them and their lives. Create engaging content that often offers feedback from each student and the professor on each coursework. Respond to emails quickly, use Google Hangouts, video chat, or online group hangouts to help support struggling students. Post a weekly or monthly open chat session and invite questions or comments regarding assignments and what you're learning each week. Make learning applicable and usable, interesting, and goal-oriented. Create a positive feeling around learning instead of solely grade-oriented. Include activities that invite students to explore ways to use what they are learning. Because online learning is the way of the now and the future, helping to create learning environments that is effective creates a win-win for students and the teaching and learning institution, and in turn will create retention and happy and successful students. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to add comments or questions below. And as always, thanks for your interest.